Hello, my butterflies. Today's video is going to be a Elizabeth Thatcher from When Calls the Heart look. So first, we are going to start out with our Bunny Glitz Primer from Snarls Box. Then we are going to go in with the Glitz and Glam eyeshadow palette from Snarls Box as well. And I am going to be using Pearls and Monroe. So I'm first going to take Monroe on an angled brush and use that as my eyeliner. Then we're going to take this precision brush from Manicador Beauty. And we're going to go in with Pearls. She has a very soft and subtle look. Then I'm going to take a blending brush from Moda. Next, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Rose. And I'm going to get my beauty sponge damp and blend out the concealer. Then we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation in Rose Ivory. Oh wait, first we're going to go in with the Blemish Control Face Primer from e.l.f. and I seem to be out, so we're moving on to foundation. And then I'm blending it down the neck. Going back in with the Beauty Blender. Then we're going to go in with the Los Angeles Blush and Glow palette. And I'm going to go in with this soft pink right here. And I'm taking this on this brush right here. And applying to the apples of my cheeks. Now we blend. I'm going to get rid of the concealer on my nose. That's not what we want. Then I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. Next, we're going to go in with the Strawberry Shortcake Glam Light Lip Care Set. I'm going to go in with the lip mask first. Or, I'm sorry, this is a lip scrub. This is the lip mask. Then I'm going to go in with my Arise Cosmetics lipstick, and of course, and lastly, we are going to set this in place with the Glam Light Strawberry Shortcake Berry Bake Powder. Pat, 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 pat. And then we blend. And that completes this look. I hope you all enjoyed and have a fabulous day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to see every time I post a video. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my butterflies.